In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Bing AI image generator. To start using the Bing AI image generator, open your web browser and search for it. Click on the first link associated with bing.com. After that, create an account and log into it. Once you are logged in, add a prompt in the search bar. Include as many details as you want in your image. Once you are done, scroll down to see the images that the generator has created for other people. These images are realistic and can be used for content creation. Click on the Create button to generate an image that suits your prompt. You can also select the Surprise Me option. Keep playing with your prompts, including descriptive words, until you get your desired image. Once the generator creates your results, you can pick any of the 4 images that it generates. If you want, you can further customize it by adding more prompts. Finally, you can share, save, or download it. That is how Bing AI Image Generator works. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.